Welcome everyone. Today we'll explore how to repurpose long YouTube videos effortlessly using Vidyo AI. Let's dive right in. To begin, head over to the Vidyo AI website. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry. I've provided a link in the description for you to sign up for free. Click on the link and follow the simple sign-up process. Now let's take any video that you want to repurpose. I will use this video as an example. Copy the URL from the YouTube video and paste it into the Vidyo AI platform. Click on Start Import to initiate the process. For our specific purpose of creating Instagram Reels and TikToks, select the 9:16 vertical aspect ratio. Scroll through the available templates and choose the ones that suit your preferences. In this example, I've selected 3 templates for variety. Click Continue after making your template selections. Add your Instagram or TikTok handle and click Done. Vidyo AI will then use its AI capabilities to cut the video into multiple short-form pieces of content. In a matter of moments, Vidyo AI will present you with the repurposed content, neatly cut into smaller bits. You have options for different framing, including square, horizontal, and vertical. Take a closer look at the vertical framing and play the video to ensure it meets your satisfaction. Feel free to make real-time changes to your template before downloading. Vidyo AI allows you to swipe through templates, giving you the flexibility to choose the best fit for your content. Moreover, you can further edit your video by adjusting captions or adding additional elements to enhance its appeal. Once you're satisfied with the template and content, click Download Video and save it to your device. Now, you're ready to share your repurposed content across your desired social media platforms. And that's it. A quick and repurposed long YouTube videos using Vidyo AI. Don't forget to click the link in description to sign up for Vidyo AI for free. Thank you for watching and happy repurposing.